In this video we will be sharing with you one of the best scalping strategies that was able to give us more than 100% return. This strategy uses a set of moving averages to help us identify profitable scalping trades. We are excited to share this strategy with you. Stay tuned to find out. Hello everyone and welcome to the Meta Exchange. In today's video, we will be going through one of the most profitable scalping strategies using a set of moving averages. The strategy is easy to follow and it can be used on crypto, forex and stock market. We have grouped the content into 5 informative sections for you. In the first section we will go through the buy and sell setup of this strategy. Next, we will go through some examples on the crypto, forex and stock market. In the third section, we will backtest this strategy throughout 2021 and share with you our observations from using this strategy. In the fourth section, we will further improve this strategy by introducing some entry filters. Last but not least, in the fifth section, we will be sharing with you the results from our improved entry method. We will be sharing profitable strategies and best settings on our YouTube videos. Remember to click the subscribe button and notification icon so that you will not miss out on it. First, let us share with you how we use the moving averages in our scalping strategy. We use a total of 4 moving averages to determine the trend and to identify our entry setup. First, we have the 200 exponential moving average. As usual, this moving average will help us identify the overall trend of the market. Next, we have the 25, 50 and 100 exponential moving averages to help us identify the entry point. Our buy setup is easy to follow. First, the price needs to be above all the 4 exponential moving averages. Next, we will wait for the price to pull back to the 25 or 50 moving averages. After that, we will need to wait for the price to close back above the 25 or 50 moving averages. Once this happens, we will enter a buy trade at the close of the candle. We will set the stop loss with respect to the moving averages. If the price crosses the 25 moving averages, our stop loss will be at the 100 moving averages. Alternatively, if the price crosses the 50 moving averages, our stop loss will be at the 200 moving averages. We will use a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio for the trade. As you can see, this trade is a winner. The sell setup will be the opposite. First, the price needs to be below all the 4 moving averages. Next, we will wait for the price to cross above the 25 or 50 exponential moving averages. After that, we will need to wait for the price to close back below the 25 or 50 exponential moving averages. Once this happens, we will enter a sell trade at the close of the candle. We will set the stop loss with respect to the moving averages. If the price crosses the 25 moving averages, our stop loss will be at the 100 moving averages. Alternatively, if the price crosses the 50 moving averages, our stop loss will be at the 200 moving averages. We will use a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio for the trade. As you can see, this trade is a winner. Now that you are familiar with our buy and sell entry, let us proceed to the next chapter, where we will provide you with examples of the buy and sell trades using the crypto, forex and stock market. Our first example is a forex pair. Over here we have the GBPUSD pair. The price is above all the 4 moving averages. So we will be looking for a buy signal. Next, we notice that the price did pull back into the 25 moving average. We will wait for the price to exit and close above the 25 moving average. Once this happens, we will enter a buy trade at the close of the candle. We will set the stop loss at the 100 moving average and use a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. We let the trade run for a while, and it turns out to be a winner. Moving on to the next example, we will show you how this strategy is used on crypto. Over here we have the BTCUSD pair. Same as before, the price is above all the 4 exponential moving average. So we will be looking for a buy signal. From the chart, we can see that the price did a pull back into the 50 moving average. We will wait for the price to exit and close above the 50 moving average. Once this happens, we will enter a buy trade at the close of the candle. We will set the stop loss at the 200 moving average and use a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. This trade eventually turns out to be a winner. For the third example, we will use a forex pair. Over here we have the USDJPY pair. First, we notice that the price is below all the 4 exponential moving averages. Next, we noticed that the price did pull back into the 25 moving average. We will wait for the price to exit and close below the 25 moving average. Once this happens, we will enter a sell trade at the close of the candle. We will set the stop loss at the 100 moving average and use a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. We let the trade run for a while, and it turned out to be a winner. Last but not least, we have also included a stock market example. Over here we have Tesla. Same as before, we can see that the price is below all the 4 exponential moving averages. So we are looking for a sell signal. From the chart, we noticed that the price did a pullback into the 50 moving average. We will wait for the price to exit and close below the 50 moving average. Once this happens, we will enter a sell trade at the close of the candle. We will set the stop loss at the 200 moving average and use a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. This trade eventually turns out to be a winner. By now you should be very familiar with our strategy. We have shown you how to use this strategy on crypto, forex and stock market. Let us proceed with the backtest. In this section, we will backtest this strategy on the EURUSD using the tick data from the whole of 2021. We want to see if this strategy is profitable throughout the year of 2021. As this is a scalping strategy, the time frame used for the backtest would be between 1 minute to 1 hour. We would also test different risk to reward ratio, ranging from 1 to 3 with an increment of 0.5. We will be risking 2% of the account for each trade. We have coded an expert advisor to help us automate the backtest. Of course, we have verified the trades executed by our expert advisor and we are certain that it is trading according to our strategy. There were a total of 30 different settings to backtest. After going through all the results, it seems like there were no good settings. Even the most profitable ones that gave a return of 40% had a huge drawdown of 49%. This drawdown level is too high for us to handle. Does this mean that it is the end of our backtest? Definitely not. We are here to find out how we can improve and make bad trading results into the best scalping strategy. Let's find out how we can improve this strategy. In this section, we will share with you a simple way to improve the strategy. We have gone through the trade entries, and we noticed that some of the entries can be improved. We noticed that some of the bad trades did not have a big gap between the exponential moving averages. Some of them were intertwined or close to each other. This shows that the market is still uncertain and it is definitely not a good entry for the trade. We want to avoid such trade, that's why we will introduce a new entry filter to check for the gaps between the 25 and the 100 moving average. The gap will be ranging from 2 pips difference to 10 pips difference, with a 2 pips increment each time. Let's include this new entry rule into our backtest and see if it will give us a better result. While our expert advisor is running, if you are new to this channel, please tap the like button and follow us for more in-depth analysis of different trading strategies. Please also comment down below if there are any backtesting settings that you would like us to include. Now let us move on to the most important question of the video. How profitable is this scalping strategy? And what time frame should I use this strategy on? Over here we have our best settings for the moving average scalping strategy in 2021. We backtested EURUSD using the tick data from 2021 Jan to 2022 Jan. We started with an account of $10,000 and risked 2% of the account for each trade. To answer the first question, the best time frame to use this strategy is in the 1 minute time frame, and the risk to reward ratio should be kept at 1:2 levels. There were a total of 165 trades executed in 2021. 81 winning trades and 84 losing trades. The overall win rate is at 49%. We are fine with this win rate as the risk to reward ratio is at 2. There were 4 consecutive winning trades and 4 consecutive losing trades. By risking 2% of the account for each trade, overall there is a total of 137% increase in the account balance by using this strategy, and the overall equity drawdown that we have encountered was 23.04%, which met our requirement of less than 25%. Looking at the equity chart, we can see that the balance amount is increasing gradually throughout the year. There is no doubt that this strategy is indeed profitable in 2021. We have provided a summary of the strategy used in this video. Please feel free to pause the video or take a screenshot to keep a copy of this strategy. Do you like the way we organize the results? Please feel free to comment down below if you have any suggestions on how we can improve. Or you can also comment down below to encourage us to produce more videos. And there you have it. In this video, we have shared with you how you can use the exponential moving averages to create a profitable scalping strategy. In the second section, we have provided some buy and sell examples on the crypto, forex and stock market for your understanding. In the third section, we have shared with you how we backtest this strategy and our observation using this strategy. In the fourth section, we have shared with you the improvements made to filter the trade entries. Last but not least, in the last section, we have shared with you the best results from the improved version of the strategy. We hope this video can give you some ideas on how you can use the exponential moving averages to create a profitable scalping strategy. All we like to ask for is for you to kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel. You can greatly help us with the YouTube algorithm and motivate us to create more winning strategy videos. We are also excited to run the expert advisor on all 28 Forex currency pairs with more timeframes and other risk to reward ratio permutation. We would like to hear your suggestions on how to improve our strategy. Please feel free to comment down below and share with us your thoughts. If you have a trading strategy that you would like us to backtest or to create an expert advisor from it, please email us at themetaexchange@gmail.com. Last but not least, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. The Meta Exchange, signing off.